I want to do something good. I want to spread happiness and joy, and I think this is a cool way of doing it. Not sponsored, but man, that's like my favorite one. All right, back to work. All right, so it seems like everywhere we look, we all keep hearing about this coronavirus and this COVID-19, and I do not want to talk about it. I do not want to be another person that rants about this situation. We all know how bad it is. We all know how bad it could be, how bad it can get, and how scary it is. And it seems like some people are really going through some low points in their lives of a lot of insecurities and a lot of uncertainties. I want to fix that. I want to be able to kind of help these situations and bring a lot of happiness and liveliness in any way, shape, or form that I can. And I think I figured out a way to do that. And if you would, I want you to watch this next video that I made for my family and for Emily, because it means a lot to us, and it's something so simple, and I kind of want to share this message with you guys. And if you don't want to watch it, then you can just skip to this time frame. So yeah, watch this video. It's a really cute little 3-minute video. I'm quite happy with it. It's basically, actually here, just watch it.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire.
So that video, the idea behind that was, over the past year and a half, I've accumulated all these little videos, little snippets here and there, and Emily has, of Milo and of me and of Emily and different situations in our lives. And the idea is that we were going to share those at some point and make a story about it later. And I just started flicking through my phone and I've got a bunch of these little snippets. And then I realized I've always had a bunch of these little snippets of clips in my phone that I never really do anything with. They just kind of sit there. So I decided to just kind of throw them into one little video and do like a montage and create some kind of like story out of it. And that video just brought up so much joy and happiness and kind of reminiscent about all these moments that we've totally forgot. I showed it to Emily and I showed it to my mother-in-law and my aunt and my mom and my dad and a bunch of our family members. It brought a lot of joy to these people's lives, and it's really neat because it's just something so simple. It's just a montage of a bunch of little clips that I threw into a video and put a song over, and I really want to help out with this whole coronavirus COVID-19 situation. And I don't have a lot of resources, but I've got a skill that I've really accumulated and crafted over the past number of years that I'm pretty good at, and that I can get stuff done in a pretty quick manner. So, and because that video made such an impact in my family's life and brought so much joy to close friends and family in my own life, I want to be able to extend that to you guys and to your families and to your friends. So what I want to do for you guys is I want you guys to send me all of these little clips that you have on your phone, all these little snippets and cute little stories that you just don't really do anything with, that just kind of sit there and take up space. And I want to turn those into a little video for you. I want you to be able to enjoy those moments and be able to share it with as many people as you possibly want to, and see if you can't bring like tears of joy and happiness and laughter back into somebody's life by just sharing these little videos. So that's what I want to do. I want to reach out to you guys. I want you guys to send me some of your clips, and I want to make a minute, 2 minute, 3 minute long video for you of kind of all those little memories, and that way you can get value out of them again, because they're not really doing a whole lot sitting in your phone. I just felt like that was a really simple way to bring joy and happiness into your life and to the people around you's lives by just sharing these moments of pleasure, sharing these moments of joy, and spread that message more than what's going on currently, because there is so much negativity and there is so much fear kind of within the future with the economy and with the sicknesses and everything that's going on. I just don't want to spread any more of that, so I want to be able to kind of bring happiness and joy back into your life. So I'm going to put a link in the description of where I want you to send it. It's calebslife@gmail.com. It would be best if you could put it in a file and then email me that file, or put it on like Google Drive or something and share it with me. So I'll upload it to my channel, but I'll just keep it private so you have the link so you guys can send it out to whoever you want. And if you're not comfortable with that, then I can just send you the file. But I think that way would be the most simple. I'm not going to post them anywhere. I'm going to basically just edit this video and send it to you, and you can share it. And if you give me permission to share it as well, then that's awesome. But I just want to do these videos for you guys, and I want you to get joy out of it, and I want you to share it. So as I'm sure you guys understand, I probably can't do every single one that you guys send me. I want to be able to do somewhere between 5 to 10 videos. I am going to do these videos for free, so there is no obligation to pay me. If you want to send me a tip, then that would be cool. I'm not going to say no. Definitely help me and my family out, especially with these kind of scary times. But I want to do something good. I want to spread happiness and joy, and I think this is a cool way of doing it. And it's really simple that a video can bring people so much joy. But for now, stay safe, wash your hands, stay away from people, it seems like. I appreciate you guys following along. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it, and if you could subscribe, we would really, really appreciate it. And yeah, we'll continue to do this and we'll get through it, and there's been worse times in the past for sure, so I think that, I mean, only time will tell, but I think we're gonna be okay. So, appreciate you guys.
We're gonna be okay.